talk to the camera. Don't think I'm crazy, okay? Okay.
I see what you're doing.
YouTube, what is good? Good morning. Right now it is 9:40, and this dude Plug put me on a flight at 6:30 a.m. So you already know how I'm feeling. I'm feeling super tired, but we're about to hop on the second flight to head over to Jacksonville to go to the Jax Elite Barber and Beauty Expo, which I'm super excited for. We're gonna meet Kev and the rest of the team. So let's go. Dang, this airport is huge, bro. What's up, bro? How are you, man?
Just call me light skin.
What's up, bro?
Lighter skin.
What up, buddy?
I meant lighter.
Long time no see, bro. YouTube, you see who we with?
You know what I'm saying?
We got Kev in the building, Brooks in the building, Devontae in the building. Dang, Plug got me and Kev sharing a room. That's crazy. That's crazy. And this dude said we had a river view. Florida got different rivers than us.
Man,
Look at all them boats.
look like we in Ohio.
Hey, chill. Oh yeah, Kev, what was the idea? What we doing here at LA Fitness, bro? When we here for a barber expo?
I don't even know, bruh.
What we doing, Plug?
We're doing a 3-point contest. Winner gets the instinct.
Let me know in the comments who you think gonna win. Who you think gonna win, Jasmine?
See, the thing is,
Not your
My
husband.
money's on him.
See, the thing is,
I'm the best
I don't need the instincts. I'm not even gonna try. I'm just,
Nah, but the
you know what I'm
winner gets
saying?
whatever they want.
I'ma just-
I'm saying because I know you need.
We gonna see. I think I got it though.
Plug don't move.
Why is he not jumping? Let me know.
He's not even jumping, bro. He's not a hooper.
There's something wrong with that ball. I don't know what's wrong with that ball. It's just next round.
Plug shot every time.
Listen, as you can see, I think it's gonna be an easy dub for me. I think my only talent is be Kev, but I think I got it.
Only hooper here, bro.
I'm making all these. Hey, I already told y'all, man.
Now when this real game starts, that's all. I don't want to hear nothing, bro.
So Brooks told me to freestyle without cussing. In the hotel getting cut by Dre Clipper hands, I pray to God and I thank the man every single day for conversations that we have that make us all better. That makes me glad that I got a team around me of brothers that I love. White just like a dove and the blessings from above. I'm waiting on Jasmine to come and see my cut. I know she gonna like it and give me a big hug. Shout out to May for letting Brooks come out here with me. Shout out to Dre and shout out to Wave V. Where is 360 and where is the others? All these boys around me starting to feel like my brothers. I might get more attached just so I can be clean. Back in the day, I wore Coogee and Moschino. Now I'm rocking Cartier in different places. Riding in cars, Tahoes and Suburbans. It's urban. I used to be rude. He got that Babyliss clipper. I like they tools. Shout out to Stylecraft and shout out to Wall. Shout out to every brand on my new clipper wall. And God is really good because I've been down and I've been up. I've been living my life, so I'm trying to live it up. And put his word in everything that I really do. They think that my faith is in myself, but my faith is in you. I really try to pray, but sometimes I don't understand why some people can't make it to that place we call heaven. But I just understand when my last breath goes, I'll be in heaven, no more feet and no more toes. Just a dove like a rose, just some wings to flap. To look up on this earth and look at my son and say, that is a reflection of me. My S-O-N-E, my son, that's my sky, he'll forever be me. But I want him to be greater and elevate his life. Just like this haircut that I'm getting right here tonight. It's a better version of what I was before. In about 5 minutes, my queen gonna walk through that door and say, oh my goodness, that boy is so handsome. Now I'm gonna stop freestyling cause I'm finna start dancing. Cause I'm getting happy, my fade is getting better. I'm no more bad clothes, I rock leather. Yeah. And that's it for y'all.
Yeah, that was tough,
really,
blood. I see you.
Yeah, I tried to go a little song,
I got you feeling different. Man, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I got you right. Look.
You iced it up? Yes.
Yeah,
That's how I
got you,
That's
bro.
how I wanted it.
I always got you.
Bro, appreciate you, real talk, for coming and doing this.
Yes, sir, for sure.
I know you ain't have time like that, but
yeah, I'll be booked, but you know I gotta get my guy in, man. Especially for the right price. You know what I'm saying?
what's my damage?
$350. You can just hit me out like Cash App or Venmo, alright?
$350 what?
$350.
Bro, I'm not about to pay you no $350 for no haircut.
What you mean, bro? I drove over here an hour drive from where I live, and I came all the way over here to Jerusalem to cut your hair, bro. It's $350.
$350, bro. That's a car payment, bro. Not for no haircut. I'm not paying no $350 for no haircut.
What they got to do with me, my boy? It's $350. It's take it or leave it.
If I hit you up after hours in the shop, it's $80. How is it $350 because you came to the hotel?
You got to take into consideration the drive back, the cut. All right. I was consulting you. I was giving you a therapy session. You know what I'm saying?
Bro,
I used the razor, all that.
That has nothing to do
$350.
with $350.
Bro, you go to a therapy session, bro. Easy 1,000. I cut your hair and
It
get you a
wasn't
therapy
a
session.
therapy session though.
Bro, what do you mean?
Bro, are you serious? $350 for
100%, bro.
All right, bro. I'm not paying you $350. I'm gonna tell you that right now.
You don't have to pay me $350.
There's no. And that was actually good.
Thank you, bro. Yes, sir.
You know, these days, let me talk to the camera real fast. These days, these good barbers, we got booking sites, and whenever people like plug,
He think he too rich to use it, huh?
you don't know how to read, so it's really hard to work the internet when you're that old.
Yeah.
So like the Google stuff, searching for the booking site and stuff, it's confusing for him. So I get it.
YouTube, what's good, man? Day 2. We're in a little bit of a rush. I forgot my blow dryer. God dang. We're in a little bit of a rush because this morning, we went and got coffee, all that. We went to breakfast, went and set up the booth. And the show started at 1:30. Right now it's about 1:45. Man, thank God we are 5 minutes away. But, you know, I got to prepare my stuff because today I'm teaching a class, so I'm not just attending. And one thing about me, bro, is I absolutely hate getting dressed in a rush. When I get hot, I get sweaty. And I don't feel fresh, you know what I'm saying? But we got our clippers, we got our blow dryer, got my phone, got my wallet. Now I got my Popeyes drink. Let's go. Come on. Oh my God, Marvin here.
Marvin! You
Yeah.
already know what time it is, man. We in Jacksonville. You already know where the plug is at.
Yeah.
Coolin', man. Barber!
So obviously with any scissor cut, a lot of barbers like to do the fade first and then the trim last. For me, it's similar to when you take it down to a buzz cut, you do the top first and then the fade. So I'm gonna trim the top first so I know exactly what I'm blending into.
Right now, he's going to start at the top because he wants to blend up into the top. So he has the same canvas.
Top trim, I know that the only section that I have to blend into is where I created that weight line, right? And then we'll just do scissor over comb to blend into it. What did he say?
He said we gotta cut it shorter because they put that time for others.
I could do this faster.
Up because we had some educators that didn't make it, so they didn't educate.
Right.
So take like 10 or 15 more here. About 4:30, 4:35.
We might have to finish the cut at the booth.
Okay. You need me to just let me know when you need me to
Okay. You see it, hey, they kicked us off stage, but we had to finish here. You see how we come in, we still got them right. How you like it? Let's go. Yes, sir. There you go. No, thank you, bro. But bro, listen, I really appreciate you. I'm about to follow you back before I forget, man, because I appreciate it, bro.
I couldn't ask for a better experience, bro. That was awesome.
I appreciate it. It came out good. Hey, considering the circumstances, fire. Fire. Yes, sir. Let's go. That's you.